Finally guys, manapod ang inyong announcer sa carnival. Na ano jud mi chicks guys, na sila stocks. Look at these cuties. Hey. Sila napuyo, sila napuyo. Hindi na sila daan kasi mambungkad. Good job. Go there, Daisy. What now does Daisy? Oh, how we could tell that they are the same man ang color. Later na naman.
Take one in one hand. Now you gotta make an egg for him. Now breathe in hot. Go.
Cute. Wala si Ezekiel. Kaya napula si Ezekiel sa drive.
How we tell? What's boy, what's girl?
So all of you.
I think 5 of it, huh?
3.
Is it boys?
Girls.
4, and one of these other blacker ones is all girls.
And what can it be? Colored egg layer,
Yep.
right? There's blue, green eggs, and brown.
These ones, the other ones lay all brown eggs.
Yeah. Look at them. They're so cute. Cutie patootie. They start na liking. Oh, it's been a while na mo nag-prepare ang ilahang kuan. Pagdaanan kaya abi na mo makukuha mig chicks. So they're always out of stock. So this time, finally, we got some chicks. So we got 1 guys, 12, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So we got 12 chicks today.
Good, grab them.
Yes, today.
That one looks like it's the biggest.
Oh, it's tall, huh?
Oh, cute.
I think this is the older.
Yeah.
This one is tall. There's last one.
Ooh, what is going on?
Okay, let's see. Get the motor na. The other bowl, we get it. Here we go. Where we put it? Right here. Good job, Matias. Good.
Oh,
Nadlock. You like the chicks, Matias? Huh?
they are so cute.
They're so cute. Finally, we got the chicks. Sila daw tambay sa tambay. Oh! I'm doing thirsty. Maybe need more water, eh? Muna ni Ron, basta naagay mga bulilit. Gagmay, mga bulilit. Muna na. Sana na sila. Wala nang gipit.
Animals can usually they have an extra sense to tell if
Or having tickles. The yellow chick?
taking at your spot.
Is that Daisy or Lily? Oh, he's speaking.
Takes its food.
She's speaking. It's like
Color, it must be food.
she's just eating Matias.
That's what
What's the brown one, Matias? What's the brown one?
cookout.
That one, Lily or who's that? Lily or Daisy? Daisy. We can tell them how. We should separate. Yeah, because it's like the same.
Name tag.
When they get older, it will be
Yeah.
so different.
Yeah, when they get older, Matias, because there's a big difference of them. Okay? But we have prepared their name, yeah? Because when they grow a little bit more, they change. Like there's something more different from each other.
Baby.
Yeah.
The baby for now, it's not. It's like all the same, especially the yellows and blacks. Oh, cutie! Is that cutie?
The extra fluffy one.
Cutie patootie.
Oh, he's back.
Lily, stop eating your brother. Matthias, she think that you're a yummy food. Matthias is very happy. He's very happy. Manami chicks. Basta nindot ang mga bata nga pag naay mga animals ba, hili og animals. Lipay siya kanana po daw siya pakauno ng mga manok, ng ihang chores. Gimingaw na og manok. Kami tanan gimingaw tanan og manok. Oh gosh. Nightmare po daw, nightmare. Oh. Ay! Crazy! Daisy, stop eating your brother. He's not a food.
No, that's Coco.
Oh, that's Coco?
No, I don't want to pet it. Tickle. Oh my god.
Is that cute? Cute, cute, cute.
Oh, that was already.
You're just scared. Come on. Come on. Wala. Ah, he's going. Wala, he's going to Matias, I think.
I want to pee in my pants.
Oh, gosh. Hi, Chip Chip. Hi, Chip Chip.
He talking.
Yan sila. Oh. Ready na ang ilang lamp para dili kayo sila tugnawan. Mga babies pa man. Ngayon pa nila ang lamp. Ay, gigutom ang tulog. Gigutom. Naglaglaag man. Gigi. Gunitan sa mga batuting. Ay, ka-cute. Ka-cute, ka-cute. Ka-cute, ka-cute. Yung bakter nagkaguliyan. Kasi din na ang 2468 na ako dito sa likod. How cute, Matias. Matias kant. Talagang umok na mother.
Wait, I make up the story.
You make up a story for them.
I know.
Look at Matias. Very hungry. Very hungry.
Maybe they grow
Oh,
up
look at the
fast.
yellow. That yellow is so silly. A lot of energy. Look. Oh, very hungry. Very hungry.
Want
I'm so hungry.
pellets?
I'm so hungry.
There's pellets right there.
Look at them. The 9 is just in the corner.
Corner.
Yep.
And they will change
Yep, that's
their
true.
baby feathers.
Muna siya basta mga baby pa naabit
Wait.
sila ay heat lamp. May layo-layo. Warm. Pwede pa sila tugnawon kay mga baby pa man. Hindi pa nila og lamp. Yeah.
The baby said
Good night, little chicks. Good night, good night. Sleep tight. Nagkawas na ang tingog ni mother nga. Kuan ka ng amateur. Amateur singing contest. Singing bee. Ay, makabungo. Good night, chipsters. Chipsters. Chiki. Good night, chiki. Hello. They like it now. Just right there. Klaro, meron sila din ako. Sa gilid. Samantala, ang duha pa yun, cute nila. This one is so hungry, Matias, huh?
yeah.
Super hungry.
They like
He's hungry playing with you.
the
Look,
brown
look,
one.
look, the yellow one, Matias, he wants to go with you. Look, he's just running around. He's so energetic. So those two
How
yellows,
Chicks
ako anak
been
sila ka ng
energetic.
2 girls. Just being energetic, especially if they are healthy. Good night, mga chick. Good night.
What about the story?
Story pa ka. Go story na sa chick. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.